Because you didn't say, please, let me talk to him real quick.
I beat the shit out of you.
So you apologize.
What's our record for today?
What's your record for today? Disrespecting me.
Oh. Huh? Yeah, I told you, take a picture of him. Look. Take a picture of him. Look, the angry loser. Look. Ah! No, you ain't happy. You mad as shit. Look. Ah!
I'm actually doing a video right now.
Put them thumbs down.
What's going on? Look at this dude. Loudest person on earth. Now, like I was saying, he got his ass whooped and he mad as shit. He got his ass whooped by some little kids. Like last week, he was mad as shit. He took his hat off and tried to concentrate and still got his ass whooped. He was mad as shit. They told him to put his fucking hat back on. He was mad as shit. I keep bringing it the fuck back up. He's mad as shit. That's why he got that sort. He got that sorty ass look. That's why he took his glasses off. Because he mad as shit.
Now, meanwhile, while he said all this, the little kids that he said was kicking my ass,
that's how he got the best.
beat the fuck out this dude.
No, he didn't.
He didn't even put no money back in. He just sat down quiet as shit. Like, I don't want to play right now because these guys are better than me. That's how about every time we play, I beat him the fuck up. Yo, I don't think he ever beat me. You ever beat me before? No, you did.
Yeah,
beat me today.
All right.
Beat me next time we play. This dude is a fucking professional loser. This guy, look, his job, when he put on interviews, they say, what are your fucking job abilities? He says, I'm a professional loser. Professional. I've been doing it for years. I got 15 years of losing experience.
But he has a degree in it. He actually concentrates on losing. Who concentrates on losing? I do this for leisure. He does this for science. He does this for studies. He actually writes papers on how to lose better. He perfected losing with 4 fucking moves. Oh my fucking God. When he plays this game, guess what he does? He loses. When he plays that game over there, guess what he does? He loses. And he loses the same fucking way. He takes wait a minute, stop. This is what he does. Let me calm down. This is what he does. It's 3 stages of how he loses. He takes his coat off, that looks like a water bug. He takes his hat off, and finally he realizes, oh, I'm indoors, I'll take my sunglasses off. You can't even take a drive here.
You want to lose first?